Alright, this is Whirlpool Duet Sport washer, but it's gonna be valid for other Whirlpool washers and some other washers too. Okay, the problem with this was, and maybe still is, it was leaking down here on the floor. So as you can see, I put a pan to catch some water. I think it was dripping underneath here, but the main problem other than that was, you can see this shock absorbers. There are 4 of them. This is one, second in the back, and 2 on the other side, like around there. In my case, this was broken from here. So what I did is, I put the plastic piece back, the locking plastic piece, and put a tape on the top of it, and then put some tie wrap to secure it. As you can see, it's still running, and you can see the vibration. So these are supposed to take care of the shocks. I don't know what they call it, but I'm calling them shock absorbers. As you can see, the whole thing is shaking, which is normal. I believe my drum somewhere here, it was leaking also last time when I opened it. That's why I put the pan there. In case if it leaks again, I will have some time before I need to take this one out and look into what's going on. I hope this can last for another year with this repair at least. They are supposed to break down after 4 to 5 years, and this one is definitely more than 5 years old. So once again, this is duet. Oh, I forgot to tell you how to open the cover. This is the cover. So it's already out, so all I can tell you is this, that it has 3 of these screws, and they go here, 1, 2, 3. So you undo these 3 screws, and then you pop this one down and out. It's not difficult, but you really need to go underneath. Okay, I'm waiting for this to vibrate even more, but right now it's not vibrating that much. But as you can see, the mechanism, I'm sorry about the dirt here, is shaking. Oh, I noticed the water is coming actually from this side, not from that side, so I need to move it here. Now you can see the water is dripping. You can collect the water here, otherwise over here, as you can see, it was dripping, and over the period of time it's destroyed. So this can save you the base of this washer for some more time, and depending upon the frequency of this dripping per wash, you can determine what's going on. So 2 problems. This drum is leaking, nothing you can do with this. This needs to be replaced if it is too much. For now, I'm just gonna keep an eye on it, but this shock absorber basically looks like this is holding on to it. If I put my hand here, so far it looks okay. Everything else looks okay. Let me throw some light in there. That's how it is. That's the repair. That's where the water is dripping. I believe this drips during the drain cycle. The time left is about 8 minutes. It's just draining the water out. As you can hear, it's going from somewhere here, going out, but it's leaking somewhere, and that's why the water is, yeah, somewhere here. I can see, I can feel. Okay, right. Oh, actually, it's in the back.